Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called The Only Factor from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. The only factor. We all have dreams and aspirations we hold on to. Sometimes life doesn't turn out as planned. The only factor that can change your life is your reaction to life's obstacles. When you accept your reaction changes everything. You know the obstacle cannot control you. You know you're in control, and you claim your victory and own the rest. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you and think about the simple things in life. Just the smallest, littlest things you think of right now. I am grateful for my sandals. I am grateful for my toothbrush. I'm grateful for my calming bracelets I wear. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.